up? It's your boy C's, and yo, so far this season, my homie Ron has not made a cameo yet. So we're gonna put him on today's episode. All right, he just helped me film something for a client. So yeah, there he is right there.
What up, what up? Listen, 2018, I see a lot of people deceiving us. With tights on, you're doing your glute bridges and your squats, your form is terrible. So you have sleepy cheeks, you're walking around with unactivated glutes, you're fooling everyone. 2019, we want woke cheeks, woke as fuck. You want your butt woke as fuck in 2019. No more sleepy cheeks. You working with me, your cheeks are awake. Sleepy cheeks are done. You're not fooling us in tights no more, because when you take off the tights, shit falls. No more sleepy cheeks.
No sleepy
right?
cheeks.
No sleepy,
Right?
no
No,
sleepy
right.
cheeks.
Sleepy
Right?
cheeks.
No more sleepy
We
cheeks.
don't have sleepy cheeks over here. Our cheeks, hashtag cheeks is woke as fuck.
Yo, that's a sponsored, all right, message brought to you by Coach Ron at Links. Yo, one of the top trainers in the city. So if you ever want to get a training session, right?
He's gonna be
Get him.
He's gonna be taking the boxing class.
Oh, there you go. Yeah, my man Coach Ron killing it always giving you the truth, man. He never lies, never. All right. So come check him out. Boxing class on Saturdays. When?
Saturdays at 10 o'clock, Tuesdays at 5:30 p.m.
When can they get their floor wide? Are you still doing that?
No, I'm not, but you can come see me anytime.
Yo, just come work them out, and yo, trust me, dog. You gonna get that good. All right, wait, kind of little, you know, too black.
It's too black. Can't see it. This is my teeth.
Too black. We need to get it some light.
And you couldn't help but make it interesting, but it's not meant to be taken seriously.
Jake is just making it up as he goes along.
We'll do some French. Those are messages.
Assembling the
All right, so we are taking our little neighborhood stroll after grabbing some cupcakes from FOMU. Now we're gonna go through our little normal routine, because we're doing it early because I'm gonna be going back into the city to go do some filming for the Sweat Remix class. So I'll take you behind the scenes of that shoot, and it should be a good time, good Friday evening, where we get turned up and all that good stuff. So here we are behind the scenes of the magic that's about to go down. All right, we got these little lights over here. It's pretty dope once it's dark, but yeah, I'm gonna just do a little walkthrough and see exactly if all the shots, all the angles that I'm gonna be trying to capture is sufficient enough, especially with sort of limited angles that I can capture. So I'm gonna try to go up there, gonna try and hide in these little corners right here, and yeah, see what I could come up with. All right, so yeah, without further ado, let's get to it.